In Dublin's first city, where the girls are so pretty.
I've seen how a child can really come out of themselves, really come to know who they are and what they can offer and what they're good at and what they can share with other people through music.
Barrow, Mill Street's bright and narrow, crying cockles and muffles of life.
Use both hands on the tin whistle at all times, okay? So even if you're not using...
We have our Acadamh Outreach programme where we go around primary schools and secondary schools and we teach Irish traditional music.
Who can tell me...
It's a really enjoyable part of school curriculum now. Music can open many doors.
Music's so important to all the children. You wouldn't believe the benefits it has with their concentration. You see some of the children that maybe would be quieter when we're doing a maths lesson or doing a literacy lesson, but they're the children that maybe shine through music, and it's great to give them the opportunity.
Learning music for children is a great way of working as a team together. It's also an individual achievement for them as well to be able to manage the notes. They're able to sit around in a group, focus on each other as well, whereas normally in a classroom it's a one-to-one with the teacher or they're sitting at their table getting on with their work.
I have had the opportunity through my research to really work with children to see what the impact is on their lives. Playing music certainly helps children and adults to view the world differently, to come into contact and encounter people and communities that they mightn't have had the opportunity to encounter before that, in terms of their cognitive development. Even the physical act of learning an instrument has so many benefits, from their embodied awareness of music where they feel those rhythms. But beyond that, and in terms of the child's personal development, there are whole worlds that are opened up to children through music that might not necessarily be opened up if they hadn't the opportunity to engage in that musical experience.
Mar fríomhaid is scola, maithim ghfuil sé fíor habh go bhfuil déisigh na páistín ceol ólam. Sílam go godíonn sí lá ar gáin a difriúla, ní a bhain frídin curriculum, ach ar gáin a social de fásta. Bíonn déis acu bheith bualadh le daoine eile, bíonn déis acu gulthaigh féisina agus phlána, agus cuireann sin go mór le spirid na páistí, agus codíonn sin lá agus éideag forbairt agus ag flas.
There's kind of a light bulb moment there when the child realises, yes, I can actually sing or I can play the tin whistle. All of these things are all amazing first time experiences for them.
I'm playing the tin whistle, the boron, the violin, and the concertina.
I just like to play music, to be honest. I wouldn't really want to do anything else.
Progression is always key, and it's always at the heart of the Acadamh education programme. So if kids start to learn in the primary schools and we feel that they're progressing on, there is then our classes in the Acadamh which go from starter, foundation, progression the whole way up.
Monaró ceol an arscoil sílam go méid sé omlan difriúil, tógann sé mácraí, tógann sé crí na báistí, tógann sé crí na fórne, nuair a tan ceol le Clinstin. Is brala ag siúil hart ar an scoil agus clonan tú na bóra na gáil na fad agus stein, páistí ag ceol ar an difriúil in sa rang. Agus monaró seanon, sílam go méid éitis agus atmosfér omlan difriúil an arscoil, agus níor bhailim sean écail hithe. Málam duna scoil na nachhfuil an ceol seo acu isrú agus ceol a curricle.
Music should be a part of everyone's life, but in particular for children to nurture that at a very, very young age is really important, and it's really powerful when that happens.
Okay, now we'll sing it all together again.